Yeah, about food challenge. This is not food challenge, Spanner.
I'm going to do food challenge.
Spanner, I called you for us to eat like brothers.
Yes.
This New Year. New Year revolution.
Yes, yes.
I don't want challenge here.
Are they Chris?
Or eat this thing, nonsense.
No, no challenge.
You know what? Go and bring me my medicine inside. What? Remove your hand. Go and bring me my medicine inside.
Medicine?
Yes.
The BP medicine?
Yes, give me medicine. Go and get it.
Okay. I don't see medicine there.
Just no, I just send you.
I don't see.
Oh, you just go there, just run come back.
I don't see him now, okay?
Anna, the big medicine is there.
BP medicine?
Yes.
Ma bring him.
No be there. Now inside my room, there.
Ma bring him here.
Oh. Where's the medicine now?
I never see him now.
Where's the place?
Move just cover the food. Sorry. Ma bring the medicine.
Spanner, go and get me medicine.
Medicine?
Yes. My BP medicine is there.
Ma, I don't bring him.
The banana. You don't say him? I don't
Okay. What about the food? What about the food? The food.
Oh, the food. You don't finish now. Teacher only you sabi do scope.
Okay, but this one I told you 25 now.
Let me scope you now.
I want to do this medicine now.
Yes, sir.
Let me bring it out.
Okay. Wonderful.
One.
1-1. Spanner, why do you drink medicine when nobody you get on?
Since the chop food finish, okay, I go do the medicine.
Uh-uh.
No, since the chop food finish, okay, I go do the medicine.
How? Spanner, why you drink my medicine?
Food, where would the manager?
I know my last medicine you drink so. Spanner, why you drink my medicine, Spanner?
You chop food and drink medicine, sir. No verse.
So anything where you must eat anything, everything, or take Spanner waiting they do.
But that's I drink the medicine. Because if I give you the medicine, I'm cheating.
You know what? Vomit that medicine now.
Medicine I don't drink.
Spanner, vomit that medicine now.
Ma bring medicine now.
Aye.
Remember for you. I don't need
Spanner! Spanner! Spanner!
Dissolve!